Hey guys, welcome back. I'm shooting this video because those of you who saw my last video about the drain holes on the rear windshield of this donor car that I have. I shot that just a couple of days ago and posted it, and I got a response, and I'm not sure what the gentleman's name was, but he made a really good observation, and I defer to his experience because I was of the understanding that they were drain holes. Now, I've been told they were drain holes by others, but from his perspective, he was saying that those were holes deliberately put there for the electroplating process, I'm assuming, of the body itself. So when the car goes in the electroplating bath, that I'm assuming they did it, that was a drain hole to let it escape out that way, because I'll show you in a second, because otherwise it would pool there and then run down the side of the car. Now, that's what I'm assuming, because I pulled the video because I don't want to give any misinformation out, and I want you guys, I'm learning as much as you guys as well. So I really appreciate it to the guy that commented. So let me show you what I think he's talking. So here we are, there's the hole, you see, and I was of the assumption that was a drainage hole. But on further thinking now, behind this chamber, okay, that hole would lead to the inner fenders, you know, the inner shelf fenders, and here, and then the only way for water to escape is down there and then run down to the lower plate there where there is a drain hole. And I think he's correct, because there is a kind of a divot here. If you can imagine this being dipped, then this would give an escape route for the electroplating to just drain out and not come down here. That is what I think. I couldn't get a response on him because, like I say, I pulled the video. I didn't want anyone to get any wrong information there. So he said that these holes are supposed to be plugged, and there was a little rubber stopper, and my assumption was that rubber stopper was similar to the one, you know, the rubber stopper that's on the drain hole and the plate at the bottom of the trunk here. So that I learned, and so that's why I'm shooting this kind of revised video. Please pipe up, anyone, if they've got any more information. Like I say, I'm revising my first thought. I honestly thought that was a drain hole, but I stand corrected. So there you have it. Thanks to Liam for watching, guys. As I say, I'm not proud, and any comments that I see and I think that I've got something wrong, I'm going to let you know and do follow up. So let me know what you think. I will see you in the next one. Take care. Please hit like, share, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one. Take care, guys. Bye bye.